Hello friends, let's choose which door do you want to play? Okay, I want to choose the red one. Let's see, we have three objects, have the same color. What color? Oh yes, that's pink. Yes, you're right. Pink flamingo, pink ribbon, and pink ice cream. Okay, come on, let's choose what color is match. Oh, I think it is the black. Yes, it's black. Come on, let's see. Yes, you are right. That's black cloud, black stone, black raven. Okay, let's choose what color it's match. Oh, I think it is green. Yes, you're right. Come on, that's green frog, green cucumber, and green trees. Yes, you are so smart. Oh, I think it's easy for you. What color? Yes, you're right. That's brown. Brown wood, brown chocolate, and brown bear. Okay, you are so smart. Come on, let's try again. That's what color? Yes, gray. That's gray elephant, gray mouse, and gray cloud. Wow, it's amazing. Come on, let's play again. What color? That's right. Yes. Orange, orange pumpkin, orange giraffe, and orange carrot. Hello friends, now we are in the second game and we will mix the color. So you will find the new color. Wow, it's amazing. That's a brown. Come on, let's mix the green and the red. Wow, that's great. You got a brown paint. Okay, come on. The second is the green paint. You can mix the color blue and yellow. Wow, that's right. It will make the green paint. Amazing. Come on, and the third is the orange paint. We have the red and the yellow. Wow, it will become the orange paint. Okay, and next we have the gray. Yes, that's gray paint. Black and white, it will be the gray paint. Okay, you are so smart. And the purple. Yes, the purple. What color? You must mix. We have the blue and red. Wow, amazing. It becomes purple paint. Okay, next. That's a orange paint. You have the red and yellow. That's right. Okay, and become orange paint. Come on. And the next is the green. The green paint. You have the blue paint. You must mix with yellow paint. Oh, that's great. It becomes green. Okay, and the next is the gray. Yes, the gray paint. You have white and you must mix it with black. Yes, you're right. So amazing. Black and white, it become gray. Okay, and then the next is the brown. Brown, you have the red paint. You must mix it with green. Wow, it becomes brown. Okay. Let's go. The pink paint. You can mix the color of red and what color, friends? Yes, correct. White. Okay, white and red become pink. Okay, friends. Come on, let's go. The purple. What color you must mix? Oh, that's right. Red and blue. And it becomes purple.